Dark wave. Dark wave.
Hello fellow diecast collectors. Welcome back to another episode of Studio 64. Today, we are featuring a much anticipated model from Mini GT. A 2021 tooling of the Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo in the light blue variant. This model had many collectors very excited when it was initially posted by Mini GT. And for good reasons. The images of this model looked stunning. So, what do you say? Let's check it out. While we unwrap the plastic cover, here's some info on the car. Created under the Vision Gran Turismo project, a series of concept cars created for the Gran Turismo video game, this Bugatti Vision was unveiled in 2015, at the Frankfurt Motor Show. This model is greatly influenced by the Bugatti Chiron design. It is powered by an 8-liter, quad-turbocharged, W16 engine that produces 1,480 horsepower. And that's for the show car version only. Box is your standard 2021 Mini GT packaging. A Bugatti official licensed product, as indicated on this sticker.
Dark wave.
And here it is out of box. Two things that immediately caught my attention. The amount of detail on the bodywork. There's quite a lot of notable features on the body. The second is the wheels. The big, edgy 7-spoke rims, matched with the blue side-walled tires are definitely an eye-catcher. Actually reminds me of a Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car. It's also quite beefy. It's making me think the car is heavier than usual, which I know is just psychological. Ground clearance is nice and low. Gives that extra contrast to the wheels when rolling. Let's now take a closer look on the features of this model. Starting on the side profile, and beginning with the wheels, we can see how much detail was done on it. Silver paint finish is evenly applied, with the center part having a darker shade of gray. This makes the lug nuts and center cap more visible. The 7 spokes are clean and sharp. The blue side-walled rubber slick tires are nicely complemented by the clear and detailed Michelin logo graphic tampo on the side. Other notable features are the sharp and distinct side air vent fins. The silver gas tank cap with the Bugatti logo. The side view camera. And of course, the iconic Bugatti line, which flows all the way to the engine air intake, as well as the oil cooler intake. The red door handle, and the sponsor tampos are captured quite well too. Moving to the front, we see the distinct, unmistakably Bugatti fascia. And with this Bugatti Vision, the cutouts on the body is very nicely done. The windshield assembly is distinctly layered to smoothly merge with the front end. This front end is truly well implemented. Plastic insert headlights are accurately done and properly installed. The number 16 on the front grille, which indicates the 16-cylinder engine it's powered by, is clean and clear. Even the Bugatti logo is readable. The front spoiler chin, as well as the bumper fins, are nicely accentuated by the blue carbon fiber finish. Speaking of carbon fiber finish, it's apparent to give notice to this model's paint finish. The two-tone combo of the glossy light blue paint with the blue carbon fiber finish looks awesome. Truly does look like the real car. Moving to the rear end, we can see that there's just as much detail happening here as in the front. From a distance, the work done is excellent. Lines are really sharp with no visible issues. Most prominent features here would be the tail light strip, the 4 exhaust tips, and the detailed rear wing. The tail light strip isn't a plastic insert, but painted very precisely. Here's a close-up of the wing and the rear bumper diffuser. The engine is seen through the engine bonnet opening. Nice detail on it too. And lastly, the metal base has a glossy black finish. And there you have it. The Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo, light blue version, by Mini GT. My take on this? Easily one of Mini GT's top models in my opinion. The tooling done on this model is so realistic, complemented by the detailed parts and finishing. What do you guys think? Do leave your comments below. Till our next feature. Stay safe.
Darkwave.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, it would be awesome if you hit the like button. And do consider subscribing to catch more Studio 64 feature videos.
Darkwave.